Hello everyone, this video introduces the feature to JSON function in the vector conversion tool. This function converts features to ESRI JSON or GeoJSON format. The fields, geometry, and spatial reference of the features are converted into the corresponding JSON representation and written to a file with the extension .json or .gjson. Note, the GeoJSON specification defaults to the WGS 1984 coordinate system. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature to JSON tool. Double-click to open the function window. At the Input Features section, select the features you wish to convert to JSON format. Then, check the fields you want to include in the exported JSON. At the Output JSON section, set the storage path, file name, and choose whether to output in .json or .gjson format. After completing the settings, click OK to export. That's all for the introduction to the Feature to JSON function. Thank you for watching.